In a quiet town wrapped with early morning mist lived a boy named Ryan. He was known for his big dreams, but a mind that often wandered toward excuses. Every sunrise looked golden in his small window, yet inside his heart, a storm of confusion always moved. He wanted to be great, but he didn't know how to control his thoughts, his impulses, or his fears. In a world where small choices can shape a lifetime, this powerful story shows how a young boy discovers the strength hidden inside his mind. Through fear, guilt, honesty, and courage, he learns that fundamental transformation begins within. Stay with this journey. It may help you find the power within yourself too. One day, while running an errand, Ryan made a small mistake. He kept the extra money a shopkeeper returned by accident. No one saw it. No one asked him. But the moment he walked away, a sharp heaviness filled his chest. His heartbeat grew loud, like a drum of guilt. That night, while lying in his dim room, he stared at the old ceiling fan spinning slowly above him. He wondered, why do I feel so lost even when the world thinks I'm fine? It was the first time he realized that the real battle was not outside, it was inside his mind. The next few days felt heavier for Ryan. Every time he saw the extra money hidden in his drawer, his thoughts twisted into knots. Instead of excitement, he felt a constant discomfort, like a stone pressing on his chest. He avoided meeting the shopkeeper. He avoided conversation. Even at school, the simple noise of students laughing felt sharp, as if it reminded him of what he had done. His grades started slipping. His attention scattered. His dreams, once bright, now looked far away. At home, his mother noticed the change. She asked gently, "Is something hurting your heart?" Ryan wanted to speak, but fear covered his voice. What if she became angry? What if she stopped trusting him? That night, he sat behind the house on a small wooden stool. The cold breeze touched his face, and he felt the weight of his choices pressing harder. His mind became a battlefield, honesty on one side, guilt on the other. He whispered to himself, "Why can't I control my thoughts? Why am I scared of the truth?" This struggle slowly pushed him toward a place where he would be forced to choose the path he wanted to live by. The next morning, Ryan met an older man named Baba Karim, a retired teacher who often sat under the big neem tree near their street. He had gentle eyes and a calm voice. Seeing Ryan's tense face, he asked, "What troubles your spirit, my boy?" For the first time, Ryan opened up. He told him about the mistake, the guilt, and the battle happening inside his mind. Baba Karim listened quietly, then said, "Ryan, the mind is a wild horse. If you let it run freely, it will throw you into darkness. But if you learn to hold the reins, it can take you to places you never imagined." His words settled deep inside Ryan's heart. The teacher continued, "Return the money, not because you are caught, but because you want to become the kind of person you are proud of." For the first time in weeks, Ryan felt a spark, small, warm, but powerful. It was the turning point he needed. He stood up, took a deep breath, and decided he would face his mistake with honesty. Ryan walked toward the shop with shaky legs. His palms were sweaty, and his throat felt tight. With every step, doubt tried to pull him back. What if he shouts at me? What if he tells everyone? What if I look like a thief? The fear grew so strongly that he stopped halfway. Tears filled his eyes. He felt small, ashamed, and weak. He sat on a roadside stone and pressed his hands against his face. The world around him kept moving. Bicycles passing, hawkers calling, children laughing. But Ryan felt stuck in his storm. He cried silently, feeling the full weight of his choices. In that moment of emotional breakdown, he realized something. Running from the truth was far more painful than facing it. He wiped his tears, stood again, and forced himself forward. When he finally reached the shop, the shopkeeper looked at him with surprise. Ryan's voice trembled as he placed the money on the counter. "Uncle, You gave me extra that day. I came to return it." For a long moment, the man said nothing. Rayan felt his heart pounding loudly, afraid of what would happen next. The shopkeeper finally spoke, his face softening. "Rayan, thank you." Not many people would come back. The simple words hit Rayan like sunlight breaking through dark clouds. All the fear inside him melted. His heartbeat slowed, his chest felt lighter, and for the first time in weeks, he could breathe fully. The shopkeeper placed a gentle hand on his shoulder. "You're a good boy. Mistakes don't define you. Your choices do." Rayan walked out of the shop feeling transformed. The world looked brighter, the colors sharper, the air cleaner, the sky wider. He realized something powerful. The moment he controlled his mind, he controlled his life. The choice of honesty gave him the strength he had never felt before. That night, he sat under the stars, feeling peaceful. He whispered to himself, "I am stronger than my fear. I can guide my mind. I can shape my future." It was his breakthrough, a quiet, beautiful victory. Rayan returned home with a calm heart. For the first time in a long while, he smiled genuinely. His mother noticed the change instantly. "What happened?" she asked. Rayan replied softly, "I did the right thing today, and it changed me." From that day onward, he trained his mind every morning. He sat alone for a few minutes, breathed deeply, and reminded himself, "Control your thoughts before they control you." He became more focused in school, more disciplined with his work, and more honest with himself. His dreams no longer felt far away. They felt reachable, because he had learned the secret of inner strength. Months later, when someone asked Rayan what changed his life, he smiled and answered, "It wasn't luck. It was the decision to be honest, even when it was hard." When you learn to guide your mind toward honesty, discipline, and courage, you unlock a power greater than fear. The most substantial victories begin inside your own thoughts. Thank you for watching this emotional journey. If Rayan's transformation touched your heart, let it inspire your own steps toward honesty and inner discipline. Remember, your mind can either limit you or lift you. Choose the path that shapes your best self. See you in the following story.